All right, everybody, I'm going to show you how I passed Eval account. I'm going to show you exactly what I did and break it down using Tradeify, the prop firm I love the most. Again, use the code JustHitSell, sign up for it. So I'm copy trading a couple of accounts, but I don't want you to do that right now. I need you to focus on one account, and then eventually we get you to copy trading. So we're going to break down exactly how I did it, the whole 9 yards, and this is public information. So you're going to see me break down all of it right now. And just stay to the end, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So 9K profit right there, consistency, the trading days, all of it. This is what pops up once you pass the eval process. This is exactly what's going to pop up in front of your face. So you get to see how it's like, activate funding, everything that you see right there. Made 9K. That's how much you needed to make on a 150K account, as you can see. 3 days is the minimum. I know in the future, if this changes, I'll make a new video if I need to, because Tradeify is always updating with newer, cooler things. So, but it's minimum 3 days as of now. The account I bought, the Select 150, consistency has to be under 40%, as you can see. Let's click View Details. Let's look into it. So let's look at the entire breakdown. Profit target 9K. I made 9.99. Consistency 37, have to be below 40, as you can see. Boom. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell, consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go. 37%. Micro scalping, which is 10 seconds or less, you can't do that. That's just the rule. That's just the rule, which, it is what it is. I know some people, but it is what it is. That's the rule on micro scalping, the breakdown right there. Basically, daily loss limit, I have none set up on this. Boom. And then you can, we come from funding ticks for those that came. Remember, it was 1 minute. We don't have that problem anymore. Praise God. We don't have that. But if you did, you would see numbers where the dashes are. So let's go into it right there. Overall balance is 159,000. Total profit 9.9K. Remember, this money's not mine. This is just the eval process. Trading days 3. Maximum is whatever. But trading minimum is 3 as of now in this account. So there you see it. 3 days. I made 2.8K, 2 trades right there. Simple as that. 3.4K, 3 trades. 3 trades the next day, 2.8K. Boom. That's consistency. This is what you need to understand. What I'm doing is considered consistency. Boom. There's nothing complicated here. We complicated, but there's nothing complicated about what I'm showing you on the screen right now. Don't try to aim for numbers like this if you're not there yet. If you can barely make $200 a day, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't try to do it, right? Like if I click on all of them, you'll see similar returns. Because why? Copy trading. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off? Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. Copy trading. So then you're going to click on activate funding. Congratulations. You get these 2 options to pick from. You got, again, as of now, in the future, if it changes, there's nothing I can do about it. But as of now, this is what they have. You got daily payouts, 5-day payouts. We're going to break down which one to choose. Daily, 5 days. Max payout, 2,500. Max payout, 5,000. Trailing drawdown, 3,500, 4,500. Understand these things. You want more drawdown. That's key. You should always be thinking about more drawdown. That's going to help you out because some of you just don't know how to hit sell. Just don't know how to hit sell. What do you want me to tell you? You don't. So get something that gives you more drawdown. Daily loss limit, none. 1,700 on that one. Consistent score, none. Consistency, none. Once you get funded, you need to win 250. That's the winning days profit minimum. So boom, your balance must reach the buffer to get a payout, meaning you need to make $3,600 to get a payout. Keep that in mind, okay? That's just to protect you. That's just to protect you. Collect 5 winning days, $250 each to unlock a payout. That's it. Just need to make $250 a day. In due time, you'll get there. For those of you that can't even hit $50, in due time, if you read my book, you click on Flex, that's what I recommend. Do the Flex one. Best believe Flex is the best, in my opinion. I think that's what you should pick. Okay, so now let me show you the certificate that you get with it once you click Flex. So click it, and there you go. I'm a funded trader. Here's a certificate, $150,000 to the day trade professor. This is an accomplishment. You should, and this is what it looks like. After you get funded, this is what it all looks like, right? This is the portal, the dashboard. 5 minimum days. Let's click View Details. As you can see, nothing here. And right there, microscale. Everything is the same. Now, the only difference is you got to trade 5 winning days, $250 at least. That's it. No consistency. I can make any amount possible to be able to get a payout. Understand that if I can do it, you can do it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I got a payout on the same accounts you see right here. So tune in. Comment down below if you have any questions, help. But again, use Tradeify. Use the code JustHitSell. Buy whichever account you think you can do and pass on. And the leaderboard, I promise you, if they have leaderboards, but don't worry about leaderboards. You just trade for you, nobody else. Subscribe, leave a comment if you have questions. I'll answer it. I'll break it down. Use the code JustHitSell. Please don't pay full price by accident. Just use the code, get the discount. Candles, levels, multiple time frames. Read the books. It's not that complicated. Free course, books, and then I'll see you in one of my classes, because the amount of time you're wasting doing something you hate, might as well put it all in and do something you like and not take someone's stupid signals in a Discord chat. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. All right, this tan is looking nice. So I'll see you in the next video where I get a payout from Tradeify. Let's go.